Okay, so let's go ahead, guys, very, very quickly. Like as I was saying, you can get the Forex Academy, the Crypto Academy, social media, mindset, finance, and fitness. You can get all of these things. They are in place for you in jifu. But we're going to be talking more about the Forex, crypto, and maybe social media. But of course, Forex first. Now, first thing first, let's get into Forex. We'll come back to this. But just so you know, these three are more active, very, very active. Now, this is the Forex Academy. Even if you are new, you don't know anything about the Forex space yet, if you come here, there are courses that you can study and you'll be good. Yeah. Now, this is it, the Forex Academy. We have like courses, we have educators for Forex. As you can see, these are the educators that trades Forex, that teaches Forex. Sometimes they organize live sections whereby we all join, and then take trade ideas, sometimes gain value of it. All right. And also, there's live learning. There's live learning. You can join live sections. Now, look at it. Today is Tuesday. Look at this. We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine educators organized live sections just today. All right. Now, let's go back. Let's go back to Forex itself. So, under the courses, don't forget we spoke about educators and live learning, but under the courses, we have uh, we have the basic course, intermediate course, the advanced course, and then we've got module 1, module 2, module 3 of Forex courses as well. But these are not properly arranged. What you want to do first is start with the module 1, and I'm just going to walk us through what is inside, what it entails. Now look at this. First, price action. Price action is very, very important. All right. As you can see, it's a really lengthy video. It's the only lengthy tutorial. I don't like calling it video because a lot of people just feel like it's video. It's not just a video, it's a tutorial. You need to watch it and then learn from it. All right. So it's a 40-minute tutorial. Very important. You want to understand it clearly. If you don't understand it, it's okay to watch again. All right, watch again until you understand. Now, in 40 minutes, you're good. Currency pairs in 3 minutes, you understand what it means. Pips, trading sections, trend lines rather, support and resistance, types of orders in 3 minutes. Types of orders, the likes of buy stuff, sell stuff, buy units, sell units, and the rest. So that's that about the module one. And then the basic, this like first one. Don't forget I said they are not properly arranged. So you want to see this first, and then you come to the basics. All right. So the basics is very similar to module one. Uh, this is an amazing Christian Lopez. Well, just this first one is just Lopez welcoming you to the basic courses. And the first lesson is what is forex and our purpose. Just want to clear it out about what forex is all about and all that. And then again, currency pair, you get to see what currency pair is in a different kind of explanation from Lopez. Pips also can do introductory platform trading view overview rather forex factory basic part 1 part 2 mt4 and mt5 introduction difference between these two mt4 mt5 you get to see here in 13 minutes guys. Different styles of graphs, market structures very important part 1. This is like market section hours, more like trading sections. It's, guys, this is so underrated. You want to see this and understand it clearly. And then difference between scalping and swing. Okay, difference between scalping and forex. Then technical and fundamental analysis. This is also very underrated, but yeah, in 2 minutes you understand what it means and you understand the differences between these two. Now that's that about the basic course. Guys, don't forget again, they are not properly arranged. You want to see this first and then see the basic next and then the intermediate. So let's get into the intermediate very quickly. Don't worry, if you have any question, just make sure you get your question down and then you asked as soon as we're done with this. Now, this is the intermediates. Key point of trading plan. You need a trading plan if you must trade forex. It is so underrated, but it is very very important, guys. Now, in 11 minutes, Lopez explains to you how to, draft down a trading plan. If you want to scalp, if you want to swing, if you want to hold your trade for the day, you know, part one, part two, very, very important, guys. And then risk and reward, risk and benefits, basically. Risk management as well, very underrated as well, and also very, very important. So, in 6 minutes, you want to understand what risk management is all about. And then we go to the next one. We're going to close partials. All right, we're going to close partial. Guys, these are intermediate stuffs. We're going to close partials, risk management, risk and reward. You want to know all of these things as an intermediate trader. So yeah, on to the next one. Introduction to support and resistance. In 2 minutes, you're good. How to draw support and resistance itself. Right, it's not easy, but yeah, very easy at the same time. So you just, again, don't just see it as a video, it's a tutorial. You want to watch and watch again and then learn from it. Okay. Introduction to candlestick patterns, guys, also very underrated. And then advanced candlestick patterns. All right, in 10 minutes, you'll be good. All right. So that's that about the intermediates. Again, guys, they are not properly arranged. You want to see mode one first, see basic next, intermediate next, and then the advanced. After the advanced, you can now see this and this. Now let's get into the advanced. Let's get into it. Yes, advanced. Here we go. What is price action? You need to understand what price action is all about, guys. Price action very important too. If you must trade forex, you need to understand price action. Trust me, you can't run away from. Yeah, I mean, you can't not run away from price action. You can't run away from price action. Trust me, you cannot run away from price action. Even the scanners, they are designed to, give us trade idea based on price action. All right. So you cannot run away from price action if you must trade forex. That's like the sad truth. I don't think that's sad because that's normal. Transaction is normal. All right. So yeah, market traffic. You want to watch it to know what it means. Part one, and then price action part two as well. In 11 minutes, you're good. Institutional price, guys. You need to understand this is like a part one and this is like a part two of it. Volume and time change as well. Good strategy. This is like a whole strategy on XAUSD itself. So yeah, please make sure to watch. Again, don't just see it as a video, it's 24 minutes. See it like a tutorial. See it as a tutorial. You want to, you know, take your time and then study. All right. Don't just see like some random movies. Okay, it is not your random content. These are tutorials. All right. Now, on to the next one, advanced candlestick part one, and then part two. Right. So we're done with this. Again, module one first, basic, intermediate, and advanced, and then you go to module two, module three. Module two, module three are more of strategies. All right, are more of strategies. If you understand all of these courses, then you just want to like pick a strategy to learn, because one way or the other you might need a strategy in the future. So you can just come here, pick a chart patterns, pick any of these chart patterns, guys, and then study and then be good at it. And whenever you see, I mean, I don't want to say they happen every time because they don't, but most of the time you find them on the charts. So head and shoulder chart pattern, you can find it. Channel chart patterns, you know what it means. Double bottom and double tops. Wedge chart patterns. To just know what works for you. Symmetrical chart patterns, guys. You want to know what works for you. And then ascending and descending chart patterns as well. You want to see and just know if you can find it on the chart. And then once you find it, you know what it means. But you have to study it first. Pinnet chart pattern as well. And then flag chart pattern. I think I like the flag chart pattern because They happen more frequently than maybe not than others, but yeah, you see them often. Cup chart pattern as well. If you like this, you can go for it. Round chart pattern, and then the diamond chart pattern. Yes, so that's chart patterns for you guys. Just pick any one, study it, and then whenever it comes to the charts, just watch out for it. Once you see it, you know what you need to do as soon as you see it. So now, module 3, which is the last one, I recommend that you watch. These are advanced stocks. All right, this talks about volume. This talks about momentum trading strategy. This talks about breakout trading strategy. Again, these are strategies that are for the advanced guys. So pullbacks also, guys, there are lots of information here for you. We test trading strategy. You don't have to do too much. Just wait for breakout and then we test, and then that's like a strategy for some people. Trust me. As you can see from here to here, you're done for the day. Just watch out for another breakout and we test. You're good. All right. So, introduction to Fibonacci. You also want to know how to use your Fibonacci. Very important and underrated as well. This is like a part two of it, Fibonacci strategy and a pin bar trading strategy. I think I like this pin bar. It happens almost all the time. I mean, guys, if you go to your chat, you see this. You see this, even if you don't know what it means, but you see it. You can also use this to make money for yourself. This is like a pin, but you can also use it to make money for you. But you just need to know how to, utilize it. Okay, and then watching these tutorials will give you like a broad idea about it. So yeah, that's that about the Forex academies and the courses. So we're not going to touch on this course over time. I'm just going to show you um, the new upgraded chart in jifu, which is very amazing. I love that chart. Now this is it. Now all of these tools that we have here, just come here, charts, as you can see, it's right above login. Once you click on it, it takes you directly to chat.gfolive.com. Now this is it. It's a new launch and it is very amazing. First thing first, you can see this is like a beautiful chart. It's more like your trading view kind of vibe. It's giving trading view vibe though, All right. So what you want to do is, okay, I'm just going to explain all of the things we have here, but not all of these ones. This you have to study this by yourself, guys. But just all the necessary things like select a scanner. Now over here you don't get all the scanners. Now let's go back to the previous website, which is just gfolive.com. gfolive.com. If you come to the scanner here, let's wait for it. I'm just trying to show you like the differences before we go to the chart. This is like the scanner on uh, the website that we all know before the new upgrade. Now, once you come here, obviously this is like your time zone or location. And the next one, you get a list of all the scanners. There are 8 scanners in jifu. We have the trend wave scanner, the golden era scanner, the smart money scanner, very intelligent scanner, supernova, quantum scanner, Q-shot scanner, wolf fx, and the sniper pro. All right, all of these scanners are very intelligent. All right, just know what works for you and then select it. Now let's say we want to use um okay, I'm not going to select any scanner, but yeah, these are all the scanners that we have, and then these are the time frames that we have, and these are categories of what you can trade. You can either trade forex, commodity, crypto, indices, and stocks. These are the things you can trade right here in jifu. Now let's say you want to trade forex. Now if you come to the next one, the drop down over here, you get the list of currency pairs. These are forex instruments. Currency pairs. These are currency, the likes of USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY. You know what I mean? So that's that about forex. And if you select commodities and then you come here, you select commodities and come here, you get a list of the commodity instrument, the likes of Brent oil, crude oil, gold, platinum, silver, and that's all. That's all you can get here, guys. But then again, do this. You can always do this and then search for any pair that you want to trade. Guys, can you give me an example of anything that you want to trade that you feel like you can trade, or you've not seen that you always wanted to trade? Anything at all. Anything at all. Anything that comes to your mind. Like it's tradable. Don't go and be saying Apple. I mean, you can even trade Apple. I'm talking about the fruits. Yeah, don't just say something that is off topic. You get what I'm saying? XAUSD. We all know that we can trade XAUSD. I'm saying something weird that you don't even believe you can trade. XAUSD. Just do this and you'll find XAUSD. XAUSD is easy, you know. XAUSD, boom. You have XAUSD charts. Something weird. You guys don't have anything weird. Where's XAUSD charts? Okay, that's it. You don't have something weird, guys. Like, let's say, uh, mm, Tesla or Amazon. This is Amazon. You can trade Amazon. Boom. You find Amazon charts here, guys, live and direct. This is it. These are Amazon charts. And then, as you can see, it's giving a buy here. Anything in this world, just come here, see a search icon, and then search for it. You'll be good. So yeah, that's it about commodity. And then let's keep going. Forex. If you must trade forex, and then if you must trade forex, you just come here and sorry, crypto. I meant to say you come here to see the list of the crypto pairs. So once let's use XAU for an example. Okay, I see you. Yes, these are a list of crypto instrument or crypto pairs rather, because they are paired together with USDT. So yeah, name it, you always find any crypto pairs. So that's about crypto. And indices as well. If you come here, you get a list of US30. Sorry, you get a list of indices instrument, the likes of US30, NAS, J30, and the rest. Alright. Same thing goes to stocks. You can also trade stocks, guys. And then if you come here, you get a list of stocks like the Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Netflix, and the rest. These are stocks, right? I know some people don't know you can actually trade stocks. You can actually, and you make money for real life money, guys. I want to call your attention to is this alert notification. Yeah, you can also get alert notification over here. Um, hold, hold on, let's load up. Give it a minute, guys. Yes, this is it. Look at it, guys. We have a buy limit trendy scanner, the 5 minutes time frame, BTC USD. That's like 4 hours, 18 minutes ago. You can always refresh as well. Now, the last trade or alert that was given here was 4 hours ago, 4 hours, 18 minutes ago. So you don't want to be doing except you entered 4 hours ago. You don't want to be doing trades that's dropped 4 hours ago. All right. But now, if you click on this, you can select from any scanner that you want to get trade notification from. Right now, that's trendy. Let's see golden era. Do we have anything in golden era? No notification at this time. Did you see that, guys? No notification at this time. This is exactly what golden era scanner looks like, guys. This is exactly what it looks like. Golden era is designed for scalpers, solely for scalpers. Once you see this yellow box indicating your zone of entry or zone of action, basically POI, all right, and then exit one, exit two, very scalp trade. And I mean, you know that this can actually get here. So that's that about golden era. Smart Monix, do we have anything on Smart Monix? No notification at this time. All right, there's nothing on smart money at this time. Let's see if we can change this to dark. Nothing at this time, guys. Nothing. Now let's see the next one. This is exactly what smart money looks like, guys. This is exactly what it looks like. This is it. Smart money scanner. Very smart scanner. So we don't have anything here at the moment. Let's see other time frames we can see. Guys, I'm just trying to show you how you can utilize all of these scanners. All right. So let's go to supernova. Do we have anything on supernova? No, we don't have anything on supernova. Yes, there are tutorials on how to use the stocks. Um, no, there is no tutorial on how to use the stocks, but okay, I think I get what you mean. I get what you mean. You need like an extra tutorial on how to actually trade stocks because you can actually do that. There are some platform that trades only stocks. But yeah, there's some platform that you can do stocks and then do currency pairs, do crypto, do whatever. As long as you have that code. If your broker has the code, then you're good. You can go to MT5 if you're partner with a broker that trades stocks. Just go to MT5, add it to your codes, come here, get signals, and place a trade. Sounds easy, right? I know. Yes, that's supernova for you guys. Let's move on. Now, quantum scanner. We don't have anything as quantum scanner. I don't think quantum sends notification yet. But yeah, let me show you what quantum looks like. Guys, this is it. It's looking ugly, yeah. I know. There are so many stuffs in it that you don't know. So yeah, that's why it's looking like this. Very intelligent scanner as well. Gives you volume, shows you volume and all that. Now kill shot. Kill shot is one of my favorite, one of them. Yeah, but the alerts they get good success rate. Sha. Yes, that's more reason why you should try it out. I mean, you don't necessarily have to start with your real account. You can demo trade. That's the importance of demo trading. All right. The word demo is gotten from demonstration. So if you don't demonstrate it, you might not get answer to that question. So yeah, I need you to demonstrate. All right. See, bet. Excuse me, guys. All right. So we have something on kill shots, but 4 hours 26 minutes ago. That's way long time. Wow. Yeah, so this is exactly what Qshot looks like. Let's go. Let's go to the next scanner, Wolf FX. Yeah. Wolf FX is on the next level. Now, guys, if Wolf FX gives you a signal, it doesn't change until it gets to stop loss. It doesn't change if it gives you a zone like this. This is your entry zone. This is your stop loss. I mean invalidated level. Sorry, invalid level. It means stop loss or invalidation. TP1, TP2, or X1. It doesn't change until either gets to exit or stop loss. Oh, we still even have more exit above. Do we? Yes, we do. This is exactly what I'm saying. Now let me delete this. Oh, I think if I delete that, it's gonna go off. Okay, let's do this again. Look at this, guys. Your zone is here. Mind you, this is like the 15 minutes time frame. Your entry is here, your invalidation is here, exit 1, exit 2, and it's heading to almost at exit 3. That's how many pips, guys. Let's measure it. Okay, over 200 pips. And then stop loss is how many pips? I said it's 2 pips. Nice. So that's Wolf FX for you guys. That's Wolf FX for you. And Wolf FX and Quantum Scanner, they do almost the same thing, but not the same thing. But yeah, they work hand in hand. I love the both of them. But you know, you can't use all of these scanners. There's so many value in these scanners. So yeah, Sniper Pro. Lastly, Sniper Pro. Now This is exactly what I want to show you on Sniper Pro. Sniper Pro doesn't have the notification as at when this alert notification was created or was added to the scanner stuff. Trend wave, sorry, Sniper Pro was never ready. All right, was never ready. But on the new one, Sniper Pro is active, up and active, guys. Now that's that about this scanner part. Now let's go all the way to the downside, guys. All the way to the downside. This is it. All the way to the downside. What can you see here, guys? Check it out. Learn how to use the jifu scanner. Learn how to. You don't have to be confused. Just guys, we have everything in place for you. Jifu has everything in place for you. Even if you don't want to talk to anybody, you want to just learn a skill, you can just come in this space and then learn. If you're a good learner, if you learn via reading, fine. If you learn via just watching tutorials, fine. If you learn via joining live sections, fine. If you learn via practicalizing, that is doing what it is that you need to do, that you must do, fine. Everything is in place, trust me. Everything is in place. Now let's talk about Trendy Scanner. As you can see, it's designed for serious crypto traders, offering powerful insights, market insight for BTC, USD, and other crypto pairs. Now, it identifies opportunity across three trading styles. It does not matter if you're a scalper, if you're a swing trader, if you are a day trader, TrendWave got you covered. All right, that's that about TrendWave. Golden era as well. You can read about it. You can see smart monitor as well. Also, it has a tutorial that you can see on how to use like an official tutorial on how to use the TrendWave scanner. An official tutorial on how to use the TrendWave scanner. As you can see, this is 7 minutes. It's a 7 minute tutorial, and this is a 5 minute tutorial. This is 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 7 minutes. Just guys, just come, feed yourself with value, and yes, be a better version of how to use this scanner, guys. You can do same for golden era. Just we've got like 3 tutorials about it. Guys, if you have a question, please do not hesitate to ask, all right? Supernova, do we have anything on supernova? Not yet, but yes, definitely quantum scanner. Just one tutorial. And what else? Kill shots, yes. The tutorials about kill shots. Make sure to come watch and know how to use kill shot effectively. Officially, just know how to go around it. And wolf effects, do we? No, we don't have anything on wolf effects, but definitely on Sniper Pro. We've got 4 tutorials on Sniper Pro, guys. And if you don't know how to use the Sniper Pro, make sure to come watch this video. Come watch this video. And also there's like an advanced um what is it called? It's called something. I don't want to borrow a word. I need to check it out. How do I forget? Boot camps. I almost forgot. An advanced boot camp. You can always come here and then check it out. How do you check it out? Just come to my learning. Okay, you need to go to educators rather. Come to educators and search for Forex Academy. You get a list of Forex educators. Excuse me. There are lots of them, but let's go to live learning and then just search for John Oliver. Guys, John Oliver is the programmer of Sniper Pro Scanner. Excuse me. Now, once you touch on his name, it takes you here, and then you see all of these recorded sections. Every live sections is always recorded. Now, there are boot camps that you can watch. There are boot camps that you can watch. Sniper Pro boot camp. Do you see this? Sniper Pro boot camps. Enough for you to understand how Sniper Pro works clearly. Whatever question that you have will be answered in this boot camp. Just go ahead and watch it, or study it rather. Because if I keep saying watch it, it sounds like a movie. Just go ahead and study it. Now you can start here and then go straight to basic, entry and exits, an overview, how to use it, sniper entry and exit rules. Guys, there are rules to these things. If you are late, probably 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it's best not to get in. I mean, there are rules to it. You need to understand it clearly. And then second level entry, if you're late, there's always like a second level. You just have to be patient. Let it come back to your entry, and then you can enter again. So you don't panic. Close. All right. Pivot points as well. You want to understand it. Scalp and or swing for a day trader or scalpers or swing traders. Yeah. This video you need to watch it. What's after TP2? You need to understand the banking levels as well, guys. Super sniper arrows. You need to understand what they mean. As you can see, it's a 14-minute tutorial. You need to understand this thing, guys. I'm not even counting. These are lots of values that you can get here. All right. Divergence. Very, very effective indicator. Guys, emphasis on very, very effective. All right. Sniper later and trend screener. You need to know EMAs as well. EMAs. You need to understand. Guys, there are so many stuffs embedded in trading in Sniper Pro. Not just Sniper Pro. Quantum scanner is looking. That's because there are so many stuffs embedded in it that makes up a scanner. So many indicators, so many stuffs. All right. Now, exits, entry rules, and exit rules. You want to understand these things. All right. One rule entry, four rules entry, one rule entry for beginners, four rule entry for intermediate or advanced. 68 minutes video, guys. Don't play. 68 minutes. You need to watch it. It's not just your random content or movie. This is a tutorial. All right. So yeah, that's that about Sniper Pro. For the record, Sniper Pro is very, very effective. All right. Very, very effective. Very, very effective. Big thumbs up to John Oliver, by the way. So yes, I think that is it for this. And excuse me, let's go to the new one. Now this is the new one. You know how we got here, right? This is the new one. We know how we got here. Let's just do it again. Just punch this. Boom. We're here already. We're here already. And I'm just going to explain. Now, compared to the former one, I have to walk you through the. It's not the former because former sounds like it's no longer functioning. It is very, very functioning, all right? This is just like an upgrade of the chart. So don't get it twisted. So yeah, um the first one has like a list of scanners, like all the scanners, but over here it's just three: trend wave, key shot, and golden era. You can see the trend wave scanner, you can see the chart clearly. I mean, it looks very sharp right now, right? Very, very sharp. But you can't delete these. That's my worry. I don't like to see these guys, but they are very, very important. But sometimes I just want to make them, a little bit shrinked, but I can't do that. And that's sad. So yeah, I guess we just have to work with it. We're stuck with it already. So, um, yeah, you can always, guys. BTC is refusing to take a pause. Has been buying for a while. So you can see how sharp it is. You can always change your time frame here as well, and then go ahead with your scanner. Very, very sharp scanner. So that's that about trend wave. And you can also check other pairs. All right. How do you do that? We have safe charts here. You can draw your support, draw your resistance, draw your trend lines, draw everything, and then save the chart. For example, let me do this. Doing this right now. I'm just gonna save. So even if I leave, I'll still come back to, I'll still come and add my chat. Now save chat. I just did. Chat successfully saved. Did you see it here, guys? I just saved it. And then I can also get out of here and then load up my chats. For example, what chat do I want to load? I can decide to load the saved chats. So once you come to assets, once you come to hold on guys. Once you come to assets here, you can select either forex. If you want to see forex, as you can see, you get a list of forex pairs. You can also search if you want commodities, the likes of gold, platinum, and silver. You don't get more than that. You don't get your what is it called? Um, what other commodities do we have? I think we have one more aside gold, platinum, silver, and what else again? I can't remember. Then crypto, yeah, you get all your crypto stocks here. Then indices as well, you get all your indices stocks. Now you don't get all compared to the first one. You only get US 30, NAS, and SP 500. All right. So that's that about this. And you can just change XCU. So you can change into US 30 and then you see your US 30 charts clean and clear. All right. Now this is it. Trend they've already give us our entry here, exit 1, exit 2 already. And then our stop loss above here. Very, very clean. I think I like this one because it looks very, very clean. It looks very, very clean to be honest. The numbers are clean, the charts are clear, you know. Yes, so that's that about assets. You can always navigate your instrument and even have like a favorite pair. Now I have NAS US 30 as my favorite already ready. Alright. So that's it. And what else? What else? What else? What else talk about? What else can we talk about? Yes, alert notification. All right, you can see educator ideas, you can see the scanner idea as well. Now let's go to educators. Now over here, educators default is forex. We don't have anything, no alert available. Do we have anything available on crypto? Yes, we do, but 16 hours ago. This is gone already. People already took profit from this. As a matter of fact, it got to look at it. Once I touch on it, it loads it up. It loads up, and then you can also adjust. Guys, look at it. Look at the take profit here, and then look at where market is at the moment. Next level. Next level. This also 2 days ago, but it didn't get to final TP. Look at it. Entry here, exit here, but it stopped here and then reversed to the upside. These are educators' ideas. Now that's nothing on forex, don't forget, but crypto, that's it about crypto. Now commodities. Now once you see that red stuff, I didn't remember to emphasize on it. That red stuff just shows that there's something you're not seeing and you need to see. Just touch on it. That's good idea. 2 hours ago. Once you touch on it, it loads up on your chart. Guys, this is next level, trust me. The support and resistance drawing is for what? It's for you to trade. I mean, if you understand support and resistance, you can make some money from it. Now, okay, this is a pending order, guys. This is a pending order. All right. This is 2 hours ago. So educator is asking you to set the pending order here, your stop loss here, and you take profit here. This is your targets here. This is your stop here, and this is your entry. Your entry is here 4175. Stop loss is 4165, and then take profit is 4274, and the market is currently around 4209.3500. So you want market to come all the way down like this, guys. This is live. You want market to do like this. Market has done this already. Oh, come on, where's my parts? Market has hold on. Market has done this already, and then what you want to see is anticipate market do like this, probably find its way around here basically, and then continue going to the side. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. And then exit. Boom. All right, that's what you want to see. So you can just set your buy limit here. This is a buy limit order, by the way. So that's it. That's how you get trade ideas, guys. Don't sleep on this, I beg of you. That's how you get trade idea from educators. Let's see indices. Do we have anything on indices? No, we don't have anything on indices. So that's that about the educator ideas. Now let's talk about the scanner idea. Lastly, scanner idea. Now you can select from the scanners, just like the first one, right? Now let's see. Now look at the select scanner. Choose an option. You can select scanner alerts or scanner idea on Trendwave. Now 4 hours ago, Trendwave give a buy on BTC USD. Trendwave give a buy on BTC USD. Hold on, guys. Okay, Trendwave give a buy on BTC USD, yeah, and these are all the exits. And I strongly believe that it has gotten to all the exits. All right, it has gotten to all the exits. If you check it, now let's check it. I think we should just go ahead and check it. How do we do that? Assets, crypto, BTC USD on Trendwave scanner, right? Let's see. Let's load our charts. Oh, I don't have a saved charts. Trendwave. 5 minutes, right? Let's check it out together. This is it. This is the same idea. Entry here, exit 5, and it has crossed all the exits. Did you see that? So yeah, that's it on Trendwave scanner. Guys, this is it. Exit 5 is 92,729.64057. 92,764.90. So yeah, they are maybe not correct, but yeah, exit 5. It's the idea is 9 to 7. But yeah, this is it. All right. Yeah, I noticed that this doesn't correspond to what you have on the charts, and I think this is like more of the broker stuff. Sometimes the parameters are not corresponding to what you have on your MetaTrader 5 or your own broker, basically. So yeah, I think it's the same here too. So yeah, that's it. That's about Trendwave. So let's see Q short scanner. Guys, I like the way Q short is also. Q short is here. Let's see Q short. Q shots. Now look at what Q short looks like. Q short doesn't really give you your buy, sell, um, what is it called? Exit, TP, and all that. But it looks very, very sharp right now. I like the way it looks, to be honest. Now you can enter and exit via this stars. You need to know what this stars means. These stars they mean something. Now, if you are trading, if you're like an advanced trader, you know that all of these things you have to set it up by yourself. All of these zones, all of these zones, all of these zones. You have to once you come to the charts, guys. Trading used to be like a lot of work. You have to, map out zones, check out zones for yourself, zones that markets will come and then market is likely to reverse from that place. And if you enter, you can make some money, all of these zones. But someone is asking a question. How do you okay, you probably want to say how do you know it's a buy limits? Because I know. Okay, I think I'll answer that. That's because market has not gotten to the entry point. Oh my god, this is not nice. That's because market has not gotten to the entry points, and if it gets there, you want market to go to the upside. I think I'll just touch on that before we leave. But let me just quickly round up before this goes off. Yes, you don't need to, begin to map out your zone. Everything is here already. Everything is here already. That's one thing I like about Qshot as well. So let's touch on the last one before we leave, guys. Let's touch on the last one, which is Sniper Pro as well. Sniper Pro. But you don't have Sniper Pro charts here. Don't forget, only trend with Qshot and Golden Era. All right. So yeah, but you can get alert on Sniper Pro. So let's see. You can also refresh. Once you refresh, you just I mean, it pops up if there's like a new trade alert. Look at this US 30 buy 57 minutes ago on Sniper Pro. All right, 5 minutes rather, 5 minutes time frame 57 minutes ago. But we don't have Sniper Pro yet, so we have to go to our first website and then check out Sniper Pro. Guys, if you have a question, please drop a question. Do we buy? We have a buy. We have a buy 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, let's see. I think I saw it before the section started. And yeah, let's see if we can get to exit 2. Sorry, exit 1 rather. And then we'll be fine. We are going to be fine, I believe. I believe so. Yes, so yeah, guys, I think that's it. That's all I want to show you. That's all I want to show you. And again, I want to tell you not to sleep on this. Please do not sleep on this. Do not sleep on this amazing stuff, all right? So if you have a question, please let me know. If you have a question, if there's a question you want to ask about all of these things, please do let me know while I stop recording from here.